Hi, Jackson and Sharon. Manolo here with Clover SEO Design. As mentioned in the email, I came across your Facebook page and just love the photos of your work. And so this led me to your website, and so I just wanted to make you this quick video showing you a few tricks and tips that you could implement on your site in order to rank higher on Google and bring in more traffic, more customers. I don't want to waste your time, so I'll do my best to make this quick. You all have a nice site, and it's got a nice flow and presentation to it, and it's got beautiful photos of the work you've done. But the first thing I notice is that on your home page here, you don't have a lot of content as far as words go, like information in words. And content is king with Google. Really, the more content you have on your site, the better, and the algorithm will pick up your site better and start ranking you higher on Google. But as a typical rule of thumb, you want to have at least 2,000 words on your home page. And then an idea that I had for you guys is to take these different services that you offer and make them their own page. Like this could be on a drop-down menu up here, hardwood flooring, and it would take customers to a back page here, and as well as kitchen renovations and bathroom renovations. And this would add more content and information to your site. And on those back pages, typical rule of thumb would be to have 700 to 800 words. And it's not just about having lots of words on your site. You want to have keywords on your site. And so let me tell you what a keyword is quickly. This is a tool we use called Ahrefs, and you can use it as well. It does cost us about $400 a month, but it's a great tool if you want to try to rank on Google and beat your competition, because it gives you the back end of what's going on and the analytics of the web. And so, for example, here are some keywords here that people search for on Google within your industry. Kitchen remodel, Marietta, GA. 150 people a month are searching for this exact keyword. These are what people type into Google, these words. We just call it a keyword. Kitchen remodeling, Atlanta, GA. Another 150 people a month searching for this keyword. Kitchen remodeling, Marietta. 80 people a month are searching for this keyword. And kitchen renovations, Atlanta, GA. 100 people a month searching for this keyword. So these are 4 different keyword examples that would be great keywords to have within the content of your site, because they're powerful and they bring a lot of traffic. And so by implementing these keywords within the content of your site, people will be finding your site through these keywords. So Google will pick up the algorithm that you have this on your site, and they will associate you with that. So those are keywords and content. And now I want to tell you about how to beat your competition through backlinks. And so when someone searches kitchen remodeling, Marietta, GA, this is the competition that pops up. This section up here is called the map pack. I'm sure you've seen it 1,000 times, and very rarely people are searching below the top 3. So to be in the top 3 is a powerful thing, and it's not that difficult to do. You need to get citations, and more citations than these guys, and then you need to optimize the photos in here as well. But let's talk about the organic listing, because I want to teach you how to get ahead of these guys. AtlantaDesignBuild.com is your top competition in the organic listing, and Frugal Kitchens is your top competition below them. So let's go look at your website real quickly and see what you need to do in order to improve yours above theirs. Here's your site plugged into Ahrefs right here, and cwkitchens.com. Excuse my computer, it's acting slow. So it looks like you have 64 backlinks coming from 24 referring domains. And so what a backlink is, and so the way to get ranked higher on Google is to have more high quality backlinks than your competition. And so what a backlink is when another website has a link on that website that will take a potential customer or someone just searching for information to your website. Looks like you have 24 different websites referring 64 backlinks to your website, which is fine, but let's look, and you're bringing in 21 people to your site a month, and you have 60 organic keywords. So let's see what your competition is doing here. Let's start with Atlanta Design Build. They have 1,088 backlinks. 880 backlinks and coming from 646 domains, and they're bringing in 793 people to their site a month. They have 992 keywords. So as you can see, because they have a lot of high quality backlinks, they're ranking higher on Google, and they are bringing in quite a few people to their site. And then the Frugal Kitchen here, they have 3,700 backlinks from 328 referring domains, and they are capturing 557 people to their organic traffic to their site a month. So as you can see, by just adding more backlinks, high quality backlinks, referring domains, and good organic keywords and content to your website, you will rank higher on Google, you will bring in more traffic, and you'll increase your client base. So I just wanted to give you that information. If you would like to set up a time to speak with me, or you just want to reach out, this is all of my information. You can click on the link I sent you as well on the Calendly link and just set up a time, or obviously you can just respond to this email. Otherwise, I hope you take this information and implement it yourself. Love to see you guys ranking higher on Google and your website really being seen by people. All right. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye.